How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. And in this episode I'm gonna do an installation on the Super Impresa. uh, I'm gonna do something different than before, something special, because I wanna do a giveaway. So let's get to it, guys. So right now the setup that I have is um, 8000K HIDs, some LEDs, and on the bottom I have LEDs as well. I have that video. When I do all this, I'm gonna put the link on the description for those videos. But I wanted to do a change on the running lights. I'm gonna run out yellow ones, and you guys know already, really easy to do. I'm just gonna remove those and put the yellow ones on it. And I noticed that when you run in daylight on this vehicle with these LEDs, they're too bright. So I wanted to change them. I'm gonna change them to some 3000K. I have them right here. Those two right here, those are 3000K. So if you can see right there, that's the running daylights. They're too bright, so that's why I'm gonna change them. That one's out. Now we have the yellow ones in here. Regular bulb. Okay, I'm gonna do the other one, and then we're gonna see the difference. If you see there, those are the running lights. I put the car on drive. I remove the handbrake, and then I plug the tire so the car don't move. And you can see how the lights look not that bright. So that's the way it's supposed to be when you're running daylight in this vehicle. So that's a lot better. So if you can see, guys, that was easy, but that was not the purpose of this video. So the purpose of this video, guys, it was not just to remove the lights and show you how to change them. The purpose of this video is because I removed those lights because I want to give them away. These lights right here are really good. I want to do a giveaway on these lights. You have these ones right here, and these ones is gonna be another giveaway. These ones are H1. So this one right here, H1s, and I was planning to use these ones in my Accord, but I decided to go HIDs on it. So this is gonna be another giveaway. For now, I want to give away these ones because I know the Probably I'm not gonna use them again. Probably I do, but I just want to give away this ones to one of my subscribers. And this is just I know this is not something really big. They're not really expensive. They go for like $50-$60, and I'm gonna give it away. So the rules for this giveaway is gonna be you have to be in the United States. I'm not gonna ship international. I'm just gonna ship them here in the United States. One of my subscribers. The only thing that you need to do to get these lights is be subscribed. You have to make a comment on this video and share this video. That's the only thing you need to do. And by the first week of next month, it's gonna be April. By April 7th, I'm gonna pick the winner. I know this is not something really big, but I wanted to do it anyways. Hopefully someone who needs 9005 and wants LEDs is gonna get these ones. So these lights, the package, everything is still in here. And in here, if you wanna change to blue or yellow, you still have the little caps. This video was intended just for that. I want to give away these ones. Plus, you guys already know that I'm crazy about lights. I always change the lights, make something different, and I wanted to do this. So the car is gonna look a lot better. It's not gonna be that bright when I'm running the lights. And obviously, it was too bright. I don't know if it's against the law in here, but I don't want to take any chances, so that's why I replaced them. But probably one of you guys want to run these ones on your vehicle. Remember, these ones are 9005. So if you need them, if you really need them, just make a comment on this video, share this video, and then you can win this. So guys, when I pick the winner, I'm gonna announce that on one of the videos, and then the winner has to contact me on Instagram. I'm gonna put my Instagram right here so you guys know where to contact me once I announce the winner. Next giveaway is gonna be those. Probably I'm gonna do something else, but those are H1. And this video is not sponsored, you guys already know. I pay for all this with my own money. So to these companies, you're welcome. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace.